Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Discovery Skills. Hope you are well. Today we will talk about the top 10 waterfalls in the world. Number 1. Discovered by Spanish conquistador Alcázar Noriza Cabeza de Vaca in 1541. Liguzu is one of the great natural wonders of the world, located on the border between Brazil and Argentina, consisting of 275 falls. You could spend days lost beneath the rainbows. This unbelievable place make it too happy. Number 2. You can see for your own self the extreme beauty of this place. The stunning waterfalls and limestone mountains helping make Van Gogh Falls a very worthy second place on our list. Its name is Van Gogh. Details falls on the border of Vietnam and China. Number 3. Plitvice Falls, Croatia. The beauty of the Plitvice Lakes National Park lies in its 16 pristine lakes, interconnected by a series of incredible falls. For those who have never traveled to Croatia, it is surprising to find out that it is one of the most beautiful countries in the world. Number 3. Angel Falls, Venezuela. Located in Sanimia National Park at a height of 979 meters, 3,212 feet, and a plumb of 807 millimeters, 2,600 feet. Angel Falls is the highest uninterrupted waterfalls on earth, surrounded by South America rainforest. This is one of the most scenic falls in the world. Number 5. Waterfalls Falls, Iceland. Iceland's second appearance on the list, steeped in folklore. The Waterfalls is another spectacular waterfall in the Iceland. It is located in the Barder Delur district in the central north. Number 6. Seljalandsfoss, Iceland. Seljalandsfoss is one of the most popular waterfalls and natural wonders in Iceland. The fall drops 60 meters (197 feet) and is part of the Seljalandsfoss River that has its origin in the volcano glacier Eyjafjallajökull. Number 5. Horseshoe Fall, Nigeria Falls on the border of Canada and the United States. Probably the most famous waterfall in the world. Nigeria Falls is the collective name for three waterfalls: the American Falls, Bridal Veil Falls, and Horseshoe Falls. It is the horseshoe that appears in the picture. Number 8. Victoria Falls on the border of Zambia and Zimbabwe. Known locally as the smoke that thunders, Victoria Falls is one of the biggest waterfalls in the world, being twice the height of Nigeria, formed by the Zambezi River. This is one of the most unbelievable waterfalls in the world. Number 9. Aravan Falls, Kanchanaburi, Thailand. Named after the Aravan, the three-headed white elephant of Hindu mythology. The spectacular seven-tiered falls on Kanchanaburi should be on the list of travelers in Thailand. And at the end, number 10. Yosemite Falls, Yosemite National Park, United States. The falls are the highest in Yosemite National Park, dropping a total of 2,425 feet from the top of the upper fall to the base of the lower fall. Stand at the bottom and listen to them roar. Dear viewers, there are many beautiful waterfalls around the world, so many in fact that this could have easily been top 100 countdown. Which of the most beautiful falls on the planet have made onto the list? Thank you to be watching my video. Kindly subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Bye bye.